Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Later to schedule posts. Full guide. Open your Later account and connect the social profiles you want to post to, then switch to the calendar view to plan content. Upload images or video, drag them onto a date, add a caption and hashtags, and pick a publish time. Use saved captions and media to speed up repeat posts and keep your feed consistent and deliberate. Draft captions that suit each platform and include hashtags, mentions, and a clear call to action. Use Later's saved captions and media library to reuse what works and tag products or locations when relevant. Preview your Instagram grid to check visual flow and set reminders for posts that must be published manually. Experiment with A/B testing on captions and posting times to learn what gets the best engagement for your audience. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making helpful videos. Quick recommendation. Grab the Simple Path to Wealth for a clear, funny look at money and long-term planning that pairs surprisingly well with consistent content routines. I find small habits compound like compound interest, both in finance and posting schedules. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Batch create content and schedule in blocks to save time and avoid last-minute rushes, and plan a healthy mix of evergreen, promotional, and engagement posts. Use Later's suggested optimal times as a starting point, then test different posting windows to see what performs best for your audience. Don't forget to monitor analytics to refine your schedule and adjust cadence, formats, and hashtags based on real engagement feedback.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.